Welcome to Politics Plus with Nkosi Zulu, where news meets passion and insight. Today we are hosting the Honorable Reverend Ubaba Nhlanhla Gcwabaza, all the way from National Parliament, representing EMKP, as well as a portfolio member, Guma Department Side 2, which is Social Development and UKHOKTA. Sizoba nengxoxo-ke noBaba Gcwabaza namhlanje kule episode ye Politics Plus. Baba Gcwabaza siyakwemukela.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Ndaba zethu.
Siyabonga. Baba Gcwabaza khululeka nje sizokwenaba ngazo zonke indlelo esinazo nangazo zonke izindaba esinazo lezi sifuna ukuthi sideliver to umphakathi. Isekhaya kwi Politics Plus nguNkosi Zulu. So now let us do this first so that we perhaps give the viewers the understanding of who is Reverend and mhlambe usuka kephi nanokuthi azafike kulesi sigaba kusona bekuyini ama motivations nane journey nje mhlambe to reflect ekutheni ijourney ezimbeka la namhlanje usukaphi ukuze kube manje.
Yeah. Ndaba zethu. Asibonga kakhulu ukuthi sihlanganyele nawe kanye nababukeli bakho namhlanje. Kuyiqiniso ukuthi nguReverend Nhlanhla Gcwabaza ngiphuma ebandleni iChurch of Jesus Christ International. Ngikhuleke ngithatha umsebenzi kaNkuluNkulu ngaba enhlanganweni eziningi ze-religious. La khona bekubonakala ukuthi abafundisi bebodwa nje banazo izinkinga eziningi but kakhulu mina ebekuyinto engithinta ngaphakathi bekuwukuthi uyini umfundisi ngaphandle kwasepulpit. So uyini umfundisi kwi-community. Umfundisi uma ekwi-community yaseMlazi then yini benefit yomlazi ngalomfundisi ela ngaphandle kubona. Siya understand ukuthi abafundisi emabandleni abo bayashumayela kwenzeka konke lokho, but umfundisi uyini ke ngaphandle. So khumbula uma sihlehla nje kakhulu sibuka izikhathi zama missionaries uzokhumbula ukuthi umfundisi lapha ubelekelela fundraise kube khona iplaza elisetshenzwayo kube khona uma kukhona ugogo nje noma ngaba akakhonzi la inkonzweni le kodwa uma kuthi lapha yana akudliwa azame ukuthi umfundisi azame ukuthi kudliwe lapha. So bekunengcenye enkulu edlalwa umfundisi bama missionaries ngalesa sikhathi ukuthi kwenzeke ukuthi kube nokudla emzini le entulayo even bengakhonzi la, but ngalesi sikhathi esikusona uyabona lokho ukuthi kuhlukile manje. Abafundisi banake umsebenzi lo ola ngaphakathi kwendonga zamasonto abo. Abafundisi abaziwa endaweni abaphila kuzona beshintsha isimo sempilo. Uzobona ukuthi uma uhlehla futhi indima edlalwe abafundisi ukwakha ama liberation movements.
A normal person like me, no mhlambe sibaningi that do not spend time into investigating or doing research into exactly what is the role of a reverend, a pastor, or a priest. We basically even mix that up because we are not sure, we are not quite sure of the roles. We will not have thought ukuthi abefundisi would have had a role with the liberation as in itself. But then if we do recall, yes, we do understand what there has been Babu Desmond Tutu as in forms of bishops who have been always aligned to struggle even prior to 1994. And nabanye not Otelu Babu Alan Pusak was also a reverend, yes. But then here you are now. You are in a political session. Sikwa politiki la. Asakhulume yobufundisi yeah. Sikwa politiki la. Yini ke manje sikwenza ukuthi ugcine usuba deployed parliament politically because there has never been a church or a clergy or any sort of like a formation that says we want to nominate this particular reverend to represent us eParliament. Yini esikubeka eParliament?
Yeah. Asibonga kakhulu. Mphathi uzokhumbula ukuthi ike yaba khona iattempt efana naleyo ngo2019 kwi-formation ye-ATM, African Transformation Movement, lapho umuntu futhi wayengxenye kakhulu in the formation of leyo political party, la khona sasihambela khona strictly amabandla ukuthi amabandla wahlangane, ngoba siya understand ukuthi amabandla especially ama-Christian aforma about 80% of abantu base South Africa society. So uma kuukuthi amabandla then ayakwazi ukuhlangana, then amabandla azokwazi ukuthi awuthole lo 2/3 ukuthi akwazi ukushintsha imithetho, le mithetho le ekubonakala ukuthi icindezela abantu abamnyama. So i-attempt iyaba khona eyokuqala kwi-ATM. Uma simove siza kulesikhathi samanje, ubaba uMsholozi okuyena upresident umkhonto wesizwe party uqale nje mesuka waya emakhosini ethi makhosi engifisa ukwenza njengamanje ukubuyisela umhlaba kinina. Mesuka lapho wasuka waya kubafundisi, wathi amakhosi mehlangene nabafundisi futhi imibuso noma izizwe zihlangene namasonto ukuthi bafuna into yabo, bazokwazi ukuthi bawuthola u2/3 majority, bazokwazi futhi ukuthi bashintshe le mithetho le engakwazanga ukushintsha ishintshwa ama-political parties. Inhlangano ye-MK njengisho nje ukuthi meyihamba zonke lezi igaba uhamba wayakubalaphi, wathi balaphi asihlanganeni sonke thina esingabantu abamnyama ukuze sikwazi ukuthola u2/3 majority. Waya kuma-artist, akakayi kuma-politician. Ama-politician ngakutshena njengamanje nje abantu abake baba eParliament before kulo 58 olapha eParliament njengamanje kumkhonto wesizwe, mhlawumbe abantu abathathu if I'm not mistaken. Bonke laba abanye abantu abaphuma it's either kwi-religious sector, abantu abadebe kwi-administration abafana nobaba uBrian nobaba uMontana nabo bonke lapha abadebe kuma-administration. Now
bonke labo kuthiwa ba corrupt, okuthiwa ba corrupt,
labathi bekhahlela ngempeleke manje umlungu bemfacile, uyabona ke manje ngoba isikhathi esibhekene naso into esingayi-understandanga mhlawumbe njengomuntu omnyama ukuthi ubani esilwa naye. I-MK party ayilwi nama-political parties amnyama, even u-ANC uqobo lwakhe ilwa directly nomlungu ngqo.
Mfundisi asingaxomi sizofika lapho. Ngisafuna nje ukuthi ngidispute kokuncane kwengikwaziyo through your research and investigation. Bese siya developer sizofika kodwa la ufuna ukuthi sifike khona. Ngoba ngifisa ukubheka manje ukuthi you are introducing i-ATM. So we are aware, quite aware ukuthi there has been iqembu lezepolitiki called African Christian Democratic Party elidwa futhi umfundisi uReverend, now which has existed for quite a number of years. So I want to dispute ukuthi it would have been for a first time whereby there is a religious or a religiously aligned political activism, because there has been one through ACDP. So we mhlawumbe angidisputele ye-ATM as the first initiative through whereby a clergy or even religious leaders could have practiced a participation into empowering isizwe. Enye engifisa ukuthi sikhulume ngoba uyam-introducer ubaba uMsholozi kule. Sesiyabuka ukuthi i-role enidlalile mhlambe as religious leaders and as traditional leaders na esongena kuyona in depth, but ngisafuna ukuyibuka nisayidlala le role in separated forms. Ngama peace talks eKZN, as you are aware ukuthi we have been la eKZN sike sakhongathwa udlame. So what roles as the religious community ungathinta nakhona kuma traditional leaders,
yes,
if you want to, what roles have you people in your separate forms ningakahlanganiswa you played into assisting kuma peace talks nakuma peace stability prior to 1994 and even afterwards, because we understand we learn, we are very young, and even the generation that you perhaps encounter each and every now and again bancane sena sazi masitshelo kuthiwa hey uJacob Zuma played a leading role into ensuring ama peace talks in KZN. Nina nidlale yipi indima?
Yabonga ba. Angiqale lapha yana ekudisputeni. Bengiqala lapha ekudisputeni nje into encane emphathi. Ngithi mina njengamanje njengabantu abamnyama as understand ukuthi silwa nobani. Na mozobuka iSADP ubuke imixture yakhona yabantu neideology nakho konke lokho. Kuyakutshena ukuthi sisenkingeni. 2 when you talk of ATM yaqala nje ngamabandla lawa azalwa eAfrica kuphela. Engekho amabandla azalwa ukuthi liphume eRome noma liphume eItaly noma liphuma. Kuba liqala amabandla amaNazaretha amaZiyoni lawa nje azalwa la eAfrica. So
xenophobic sort of.
Ungasho wena ukuthi xenophobic kodwa mina ngeke ngize ngisho njalo ngoba mina ngowala ngowesilo manje mengikhuluma yabona ukuthi besikhuluma thina sobabili uya umlungu lapha akayi-understand lento esikho fayise sikhulume ngesingisi ukuze understand ayisabekeki kahle ngalendlela le besizwa ngayo thina sobabili. Now kubalekile ukuthi silungise indle yethu uqala thina abantu abamnyama then sesingaphumela ke ngaphandle sithi woza mlungu nabani noba nondiya nobani okwakhena into yethu. But uma ngizongena kule yama conflict resolution nazonke lezi zinto lezi kumanje ngiyazi ukuthi abafundisi mhlawumbe uzoyazi inhlangano ekuthiwa iKZNCC sihlangene sabafundi sisike sababiza abafundisi kule nhlangano sisibiza amakhosi njengoba kubulawa amakhosi kubulawa nezinduna la eKZN ukwazi ukuthi kube noxolo kube nokuthula lapha kule ndawo. But umsholozi uyenzile lento ukuthi abantu mhlambe ngeke baze bakwazi umuntu ukumshayela ihlombe ngoba nakho esevule into yabantu. And futhi bathuka abantu uma bezongena khona bonke abantu bangena la kumsholozi ngoba ulenzile uxolo eKZN. I-Northern region ngalesikhathi isadivadeke ka4 nje ukukhona iNorthern region Southern region lapha nje yonke lento ngale kothukela sisho njalo ngale kwathukela ubegijima yena yonke le ndawo leya ukuthi kube nokuthula ize yakhiwa futhi ANC yakhiwa uyena lapha bekufiwa la eKZN kodwa yena njengomsholozi as a person usebenze kakhulu ukuthi akukuthula eKZN yonke mphathi.
Nina umbuzo wami uthi beniyiphi nina ngiyaxolisa igama lithi nina libuye lizwakale kabi engazuthi lithi
ngaleso sikhathi.
Yes ngoba phela angithi here we having a discussion yokuthi suddenly you are at the parliament as a reverend representing a political organization which I'm not going to be popularizing for now because engifuna establish ukuthi why suddenly have we got a reverend representing a political party other than that of SACDP yes because at least we grew up on that one or we were born of that one. Now suddenly we've never heard even during Congolese, the reign of Congolese on the 30 years you know there's this influx of traditional leaders taking occupancy parliament and there's reverence. So sengifuna ukwazi ukuthi iluphi iyiphi inxaxheba mhlambe enidlalile nina in order for you to be recognized ukuthi sengathi I know ngempela sikumele ukuthi singaba separliament ukuze simele abantu base South Africa. Nidlale yiphi indima? So ngifisa ukuza ukuthi kusuka kulokho umsholoza bekwenza beniyiphi nina ngaleso sikhathi?
Usuka kuloko uba umsholozi ade kwenza of which means 1994 because abafundisi bebe attached kakhulu ku liberation movement. So balindele la ku liberation movement ukuthi okay then nisibeka kanjani nisibeka phi ukuze sikwazi ukudlala irole yethu. mningi kakhulu umsebenzi wabafundisi ofanele ngabe uyenzakala nabafundisi abawudingayo abafuna ukwenza okunye besikwenza njengano moral regeneration sizama ukuthi eindaweni la sikhona sikwazi ukungenelela ngezinto ezifana nalezi kukhona even ama organization esiwenzile afana no National Christian Economic Development Agency la khona sibheka imnotho wangaphakathi ke manje emabandleni ngoba naku ugovernment useqhelile kubafundisi useqhelile kumakhosi usuhamba wodwa nje wama politician so isikhathi lesi sikusona njengamanje ingoba kwakhiwa ipolitical party ezi-MK njengamanje into esenza ukusibe laphayana ingoba kwakhiwa isizwe umsholozi akaka it's not i-MK ayiyona political movement ayiyona political party i-MK yakhelwe ekutheni asakheni isizwe njengoba ubone umkhonto wesizwe khonto wesizwe umkhonto wesizwe futhi ukhuluma ngesizwe bese ukhuluma ngeweapon and ngalesi sikhathi iweapon uNkulunkulu yabona
okay
yes isizwe sigovernishwa yini amakhosi ngala iweapon ithina abafundisi uNkulunkulu
kodwa ke mhlonishwe ngathi uyabaleka nalempendulo yokuthi benike iphini umsholozi egijima iZululand engage nama leaders amanye ama political leaders esingabala kubona ama leaders o-IFP back then abantu bebulalana ngaso sonke leso sikhathi ngiyakuzwa ukuthi you have created or you have formed this information that looks into economic development or religiously aligned it's okay but ke ithi into njengamanje ke you are suddenly finding yourself uhleli kwi portfolio
yes
yakwa social development
yes
neyaka COGTA what are your roles mangabe like if you are if you are appointed I don't even know ukuthi ngoba uthi iMK akuyona ipolitical party ukuthi ubani okappointayo mhlambe kodwa uzosazisa nalapho now you are appointed what are your roles responsibilities noma ithini assignment yakho kulama portfolio committees noma mhlambe siqale siyibambe kwiumbrella ukuthini as a national member of the assembly ithini responsibility yakho heading towards those two committees
yes siyabonga kakhulu lana i-leadership ekhona eParliament eholwa ubaba uJudge Hlophe u-deputy president wethu oyena party leader ku-National Assembly kumkhonto wesizwe uthi ithimba lakhe le-leadership uma lihlala then liyas appoint accordingly ukuthi ubani mhlawumbe une-expectation engakanani noma une-capacity engakanani kuleyo department naleyo department and then you are placed in that department now being placed kwi-social development iBhayibheli khona laphana la lithi khona engenisani ishumi neminikelo endlini yami yengcebo ukuze kube nokudla endlini yami yabona ngenisani ishumi neminikelo endlini yami engcebo ukuze kube nokudla endlini yami le ndawo lebe kuyi storehouse indlu engcebo is a storehouse i-storehouse sasinakela abapriest nabalevi sinakekela ama-widows sinakekela intandane sinakekela abanhlwempu now ingena nje khaxa kumina ke manje ukuthi u-social development kahle kahle afanele ngabe uranwa ngisho nama politician fanele ngabe uranwa abantu abanenhliziyo yokusiza abanye abantu yokulekelela abanye abantu that's why uNkulunkulu ngisho eBhayibhelini uyithatha lento uyinikeza ama-priest ukuthi akube yibona abayi-administratayo rather than i-administrator yinoma ubani ukuze senze sure ukuthi laba ama-child-headed families intandane ziyadla ngempela ukuze senze sure ukuthi laba abanhlwempu abadinga ukudla bayadla ngempela so ngalesi sikhathi iloko mhlawumbe umuntu kule iportfolio yaka social development obviously uma ungena ngapha ngaka-COGTA ekuwukuthi kunamakhosi kakhulu umuntu fanele sikwazi ngalesi sikhathi esikusona ngeke ngahlala nobaba uMgiliji eSakhothama ngihlala naye sikhuluma into because mina ngumfundisi ngapha yena ngalena uleader amabutho now uthi gcabaza nina niyangilimaza nina ngithi mina kanjani
Nishintsha abantu babo.
uthi yena ngesonto ngithatha izingane zami ngifuna sihambeni siye sohlangana namabutho umama ufuna ukuthatha izingane bayisontweni ngesonto so manje uyibona manje lento le ukuthi iyashayana lento le and kulesi sikhathi esikusona kufanele sikwazi ukintegrate kahle ubukhosi nobupriest ukuze kukwazi ukuthi kube nokuphila kule ndawo because abapriest bahlala nabantu every Saturday every Sunday bahleli nabantu laba ukuletha inhliziyo kaNkuluNkulu kubantu ukuletha ukuphila kubantu iyona institution kuwo wonke ama institutions akhona emhlabeni elungisa umuntu ingakafiki inkinga ama department wonke alungisa umuntu isifikile inkinga moya ka health esibhedlela ingobzuzu ugula wonke ama department alungisa umuntu kanti la ka religious ulungisa umuntu nje esayiphilela njenganawe nje indaba zitha
ngizwa kahle Mhlonishwa kodwa angifuni ukuthi sidwele kakhulu into le ngizoyibuza nje on my personal capacity mhlambe as the host of this show because uma ngabe sila njengoba usushilo njengoba bengishilo earlier ukuthi sikwi political platform we are going to fail mhlambe the masses are going to fail to marry a religious representation that you are making to a political platform bese kuzoba khona nale dimension yesithathu futhi ke manje yamakhosi naye sisazoyixoxa ngoba kumina my little understanding of a Bible mfundisi kuye khona la ukuthiwa khona incebo yenkosi mangabe ifika emhlabeni ayithe yona izilo kuzoshintsha kodwa izogcwalisa
amen
ngazi noma ngisho kahle yini kodwa ngoba usuthi amen kusho ukuthi ngishaya isikhonkosini uthi kumbuzo wami ke ngaphambi kokuthi kufike ureverend noma the religious aspects of things bekhona ke ubaba uMgilija may his soul rest in peace ephethe isizwe senkosi esilida
yes
nangithi niyamphazamisa kungani mangabe seninamandla okulida abantu ningabe nisangenelela niyosiza lapha ya ekugcwalekiseni lokho vele usekukhona kunokuthi niba ama counterparts alokho ngoba phela nizingcebo zenkosi ufanele ukuthi zigcwalise lokhu obekuvele kwenziwa kungashintshwa izindlela ngoba ngabe sikhuluma ke manje ukuthi mhlawumbe ngabe sonke sibiza ngamabutho enkosi amakhosi sonke ngabe siyibiza ngamabutho esizwe ngoba ngiyithola kukhona i-evidence yokuthi kuyadonsiswana mangabe ubaba uMgilija edonsa eshona ngapha ngesonto inceke yenkosi idonsa ishona ngapha so awusichazele nje siyisizwe kuloko ukuthi mhlambe le gap bese mase siyihlanganisile bese siyishadisa nepolitiki bese sigijima nalo uhlelo
umsebenzi omkhulu owenziwe icolonization ukudivide emakhaya ethu khona osonta kaShembe khona osonta eZiyoni akakhonzi lo ngesonto khonza ngomgqibelo lo akakhonzi ngomgqibelo ukhonza ngesonto into eyenzile icolonization eSouth Africa ukuthi sidivide thina singabantu abamnyama kusukela nje ekhaya sidividekile kuswele ekhaya kuze esizweni kube west so lokho engikushoyo ngithi kuyi challenge esibhekene nayo njengesizwe ukuthi kufanele sibuyelane sikwazi ukusebenza ndawonye iyazi inkosi ukuthi imephi iyazi induna yenkosi ukuthi imephi azi umfundisi ukuthi ngimephi kulesizwe ngisebenza lokhu mina kulesizwe inkosi iyinkosi yalesizwe so umsholozi yiko akhe ngaphakathi kwiconstitution yomkhonto wesizwe wakhe into ekuthiwa iCouncil of Traditional and Religious Leaders ekuyiyona engaphezulu kwepolitiki ipolitiki ingaphansi ama structures epolitiki angaphansi kwalesi structure lesi structure lesamakhosi nabafundisi kusona so ukuze le ayikwazi ukusebenzisana ukuze sizokwazi ukuthi isizwe nawo siphatheke isizwe laba behlangene kungabi lo uyadonsa lo shona le nalodonsa kodwa yonke lento yenziwe because mphathi uzobona lapha emabandleni amaningi ibandla lese sithatha ama-mainline churches afika ama-Rome afika ne-missionary yawo anemfundiso ethile ayafika futhi ama-Anglican afika ne-missionary yawo imfundiso ethile afika ama-Wesley imfundiso yawo ethi siyadivide i-colonization njalo yonke le yabona le nto uma thina-ke manje singakwazi ukuthi njengesizwe sikaNkulunkulu esise-South Africa kuqala kaZulu la sikhona siyisizwe nje sodwa sinenkosi yethu laphayana vele kuhleleke nje sibambane sibe umlungu beyini
Mhlonishwa kuyezwakala kodwa ke kuyiphuzu nje le discussion engicabanga ukuthi ngelinye ilanga siyokwazi ukuthi simthole nomsholozi ezosichazela ukuthi ikephi inhloso yakhe ngoba phela existile on the political space nanokuthi ewumholi we society yase South Africa isizwe nje sisonke sibuka kodwa manje engazi ukuthi into ile oyichazayo iyaqala and siyayibona yona ukuthi njoba uyichaza nje nawe ukuthi ithi may adopt i-system yaseNgilandi whereby all political formations account to abanikazi bezwe okuwamakhosi so kulungile asidlule ngoba okwanamhlanje Mhlonishwa sifuna ukufunda kabanzi ngomnyango wakho nangama developments nangama plans onawo going ahead ake siye la ekutheni nakho ke siphila namhlanje 2025 kuJanuary nje there are a lot of developments more especially with regards to technology we've heard even as a parliament prior to your presence kusekhona babo David Mabuza ebuzana about the fourth industrial revolution how is it impacting kahle to you as leaders that lead or that seek to lead or that seek to develop state capacity in that manner so mine to you is under nje social development what is your relationship with the technological trends or the technological developments that you seek to implement or imply or to deploy ukuze department yakho ikwazi ukuthi ibe effective ngoba isikhathi esiningi umasibheka society enjoy technologies or digitization in ngenye indlela yokuthi si enjoy to just trend on TikTok, on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook and Instagram. But how are you treating this as a leader or as one of the leaders of a department? Ukuthi mhlambe ingasisusa from point A to point B or even Z.
Ndabezitha uma ubuka Department of Social Development national unama agencies amabili. Lama agencies ayinjini zale department unosasa ngala usasa okuyena okhokhayo ekhokhela abantu ama grant pensioners and all of that and then mase phinda ngala abe ne agency ethiwa iNDA uNDA National Development Agency ngihlale ngibachazela ke futhi ngithi phindani ngoba ngathi say class and understand National Development Agency ingathabezwa bonke National Development Agency kufanele ngabe le agency le ingena wonke ama department but le agency lo msebenzi omkhulu mphathi ukukhipha abantu kwi grant system bonke labantu sinabantu over 20 million abakwi grant system abakhiphe labantu bakwazi ukuthi bebe nama programs sustainable now le agency njengamanje currently ngikhuluma ukuthi ayiwenzi lo msebenzi lo and iwona umsebenzi esingathi njengamanje mesifaka izinto ezifana nabo o fourth industrial revolution industrial uma uya njengamanje ka KFC uzofica ukuthi awusakwazi ukuyokhokha lapha ya already AI isiyasebenza isi automated hobani abakhanda lezi zinto lezi hobani abakhanda lama app hobani abazowalungisa abazowa-maintainer noma uya ko McDonald's already sengenela njengamanje kubhizwe ngeemoto ezizoyihambela zidrive zona uyayibona lonto le and lezi zinto sonke thina asizibhekile thina mesifake nje lapha ku Facebook noma ku Twitter so sesiqedile ngaloko but ukukhuluma ne leadership yakhona la ku National Development agents ukuthi ake sibukeni izinto ze-artificial intelligence, izinto ezingenzeka ezingalekelela abantu njengamanje because abantu baningi abaku-grant system and izochoka ama-taxpayers azochoka imali iphele sokhokha ngani uma le agency le ingasebenzi ukubakhipha abantu ngapha. So ama-programs-ke lawo mphathi esiwabukayo ukuthi angasilekelela especially lawo ngoba izinto zonke njengamanje muthi uya kwi-agriculture uzofica ama-drones kuyiwona achelelayo laphayana, kuyiwona afaka ama-chemicals engadini, zonke lezi zinto lezi ubona ukuthi uma thina singayinakile ne-department nje ukutheni singakwazi ukuthepha kulezi zinto lezi through ukuthi bakwazi nabantu-ke laba baphume kuma-grant system.
Mhlonishwa, you are touching on a very serious issue and I'm only coming to a realization now. Ngoba when sikhuluma ngalento le sikhuluma nge-unemployment.
Yes,
and I'm very glad ukuthi I'm speaking to you and you are saying ukuthi NDA under umnyango wakho. Isithi into iyamike mangibuzela nje umphakathi. And I've also learned because besizoba nomphathiswa uyo le show uzofika kodwa on Friday umphathiswa wezimali la KZN. We do a study.
Yes.
I've learned ukuthi social development we third highest bangabe kwenziwa financial allocation makwenziwa lento le nibiza ngani konje lapha eParliament
270 billion.
Oya nje kwa social development.
Yes,
and it's the third highest. I've learned. So now umbuzo wami usuthi ke lo 270 billion uya just kuma grants. Most of it uya kubantu aba receiver ama grants.
Yes.
Uthe omunye umlaleli ebengithi noma umbukele ebengithi ngizoba nomphathiswa awungisendele imibuzo ongafisa ukuthi ngibuze yona ukuthi what are the strategies eniwenzayo ukuthi ke wena ke sengibuza wena mphathiswa njengelokhuza njenge department yakho. Mapha ama strategies eniqhamuka nawo ukuthi uNational Treasury ungabi milked. Kungabi ukuthi uyakhipha nje kuphela. Kodwa uyakwazi ukuthi uyigeneratele wona irevenue. I mean i-department yakhe ikwazi ukuthi i-generate yona i-revenue to supplement u-National Treasury allocation ka-National Treasury. Ngoba phela asikwazi ukuthi sibe ngokhamisa ngithele. Kumele ukuthi nathi sibe nawo ama-sustainable projects esizoqhamuka nawo no especially njengoba kuyi-leadership kwa-social development. Umbuzo wami uya lapho ukutheni yiziphi izinto esiqhamuka nazo-ke manje ey'ngama-projects noma mhlawumpe ey'ngama-initiatives ey'zokwenza ukuthi loya 270 billion bese sikwazi ukuthi singabe sisahlala kuona emahlombe sazi ukuthi nathi siyayisustain.
Yes, ugovernment uyi-one mphathi abantu bayawudivide kodwa ke abantu bayawudivide as ama-department kodwa ugovernment ufuze ube uyi-one okuwukuthi siyazi ukuthi le department umikhokha ikhona enye department eyenzani egenerator njenganama-parastatal ethu. Uyabona ama-parastatal ethu ngesikhathi ke saba umsholozi mesuthatha nje uEskom ekuyiwona oseyindabeni yonke indawo ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi ulidwa ubaba uBrian Molefe ukuthi wawenza imali and leyo mali le iyakwazi ukuthi iyongena ilekelele lapha but la ku social development kubalekile ukuthi ngoba kuthathwa imali enye ingxenye yezimali kufundwa ama-NPO. Ngalesikhathi kufundwa ama-NPO kubalekile ukuthi kube khona ama-NPO enza ama-economic projects rather than ama-social projects wodwa. So now u-NDA funze ube wenza izinto ezi-economic axhase osomabhizinisi abancane noma lekelele abantu bakwazi ukuphila bakwazi ukuphuma kwi-grant system benze izinto ezi-sustainable emakhaya kube ngabe benze imisebenzi noma benze amabhizinisi abamancane azokwazi ukuthi babe sustainable kubona and then iphumeke baphuma abantu ngapho kwi-grant system
kulo 270 billion
baphuma abantu yes kulo 270 billion. There's a question ebengibuza nje ngithi uma ngilethelwa i-report yaka NDA ngicela mina ningitshela ukuthi bangaka abantu esibakhiphile kwi-grant system iyona report kuphela ungafaki lutho ufake nje ukuthi kulonyaka sikhipha abantu abangaka kwi grant system naba bazimele laphayana banama projects abawenzayo noma banama business abawenzayo sustainable.
Ukuyezwakala ngicela ukuthi ngingakakhohlwa nje ngizokwazisa ukuthi sina emaphepheni nakuma television sazi ukuthi ubaba uBrian Molefe honorable match corrupt. Sikuzwa ngawe nje ukuthi ube generator ilokhuza a profitable revenue eseka Eskom. Thina sikwazi ngeindaba nje ukuthi there is one of the corrupt CEOs zaka Telkom and under Telkom under him Eskom under him was not doing well. But ke akusho mina kusho indaba nezamaphepha.
Ngiyathanda kwakusho zona.
Yes.
Akusho treasury wethu ukuthi way receive imali engakanani khona ngalesikhathi kukhona uBrian lapha.
Asidrive siye kuleyo umnyango wakho ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi uCox sengathi u receiver legal attention but asiqede ngalo ngomnyango wakho lo waka social development. Ngifuna ukuthi ke manje sibukeke Mhlonishwa the establishment of ama relationships of ama PPPs ukuthi kungani ke usuhleli lapho Mhlonishwa kungabi khona visible mhlambe kubantu ngoba kukhona njoba usho nje ukuthi kuyo report yakho ufuna something engizothi iphathekayo i-visible and i-common ngoba ama reports esikhathi esiningi aye engaqhamuki nalutho kuye kube long paragraph unga understand kodwa ukuthi ithini le paragraph so sasifuna ukwazi ethini ukuthi emnyangweni wakho mhlambe ngoba ngiyazi usenesikhathi esincane ku private public or public private partnership kungani uNDA ungakwazi ukusebenzisa mhlambe leyo initiative ngoba initiative ka government as a whole ukuthi sikubukeke kwenzeka phambi kwethu sithi uma sidrive nje siwedlini semsebenzini sibone ukuthi nansi initiative kahulumeni ebambisene nathi siwu private sector senza ukuthi through uNDA yabo so could that be perhaps red tape noma could that be perhaps capture of that particular initiative because initiative kahulumeni but then kungani uNYDA ungakwazi ukusebenzisa such to then be visible to the masses or to us sibona ukuthi lo 270 billion usulapha yasiyabona ukuthi nanka ama companies ayasebenzisana no NDA for imisebenzi kahulumeni
mfana indaba ezitha kuba buhlungu ukuhlehlela kuba umsholozi ngesikhathi abamsholozi bekune program ebizwa ngomasibambisana and le program le ibiyenza exactly that ekutheni ilande some of ama private companies ukwakha bilanda ama private companies amaplazi ngoba bifuna ukwenza lento okuthatha ama veg nempuphu nani kukwazi ukuthi kunikezwe abantu laba abathenga ukudla abakwi grant system but at the same time iyabakhipha ngale ngoba ibakhipha banama plaza noma banamafama amancane ukwenza amaqanda kuphela lo mama loyo kodwa ubeka grant system seyaphuma seyalapha leyo program leyo ya shut down leyo program leyo mayiphuma vele uyabona but kwakuyi program yayinamandla kakhulu ekutheni ikwazi ukwenza lokho ukhuluma ngayo ukulanda ama private companies but at the same time abantu abamnyama wakuthathwa wonke ama plaza abantu abamnyama ukuthi awaqale manje azoproducele ugovernment aproducele u social development ibhedlela nani nama correctional services amajele
no it's good to hear of such ngezobuyela
futhi so kodwa thina njengamanje siyi opposition so noma siyibeka into etafuleni sithi madodenzani kanje hayi ngeke kuze kwenziwe ngoba kuzothi hayi sesenza into yabani ya MK yiko kubalekile njengamanje ukuthi 2/3 majority siyongena lapha ya sishintshe imithetho senze wonke lama program hayi manje
sizo develop Mhlonishwa ngizama ukunqamola ngizama ukuthi sikhathulule ngoba ngizothi mina bangabe from your last statement ngizothi mina but the MK then existed prior to the 7th administration then ukuba mhlambe MK 58 participated ekubeni uhulumeni wobumbano masikubiza ngalokho lokho kuthiwa iGNU, perhaps then bengeke le opposition engale ithi hayi senze into yeMK bese sizobe senza into yethu, okusho ukuthi you would have not have formed i-opposition, you would have been part of uhulumeni if you were serious about ukusustaina lama programs. But ke it's only my assertion. Asidlule lapho
Ile yade sikhuluma ngayo eSADP. Wazi kwakhona umlungu la sahlala naye. Sekunenkinga mphathi. Lento yomlungu inenkinga. Njengoba angena nje saqalelwa yinkinga thina. Ukuba azangangene lapha eCape Town. Ngabe inkinga zethu zinhle kabi. Ngaba sina inkinga nje. Ngoba zonke lezi zinto besizenza
ngabe zi-indigenous.
Hayi ngabe siyaphila kamnandi mphathi. Ngabe futhi mhlawumbe nginamkhabo ongaka nje obungibona ngabe ngidla kahle lokudla nje organic kodwa yabona le nto le.
No kuyezwakala ake sigudle siye manje also uyi-portfolio member.
Yes.
I mean uyi-committee member yaka COGTA.
Yes.
Umnyango holo wabuhlabisa nationally. Athina ama responsibilities in brief nje athina ama responsibilities nama duties wakho lapho. Ngifuna ukuthi mhlambe usicacisele nanokuthi nisebenzisana kanjani u House of Traditional Leadership no COGTA ngoba of late ngeke sikhulume about the trends aqhamuka izolo ukuthanga, but of late sekune confusion yokuthi umuphi umnyango okhola which order when it comes to traditional leadership no COGTA. Yabo, so awusitshela ukuthi athina ama duties wakho bese usichazela ukuthi asebenzisana kanjani.
Mphathi umhlaba fanele ubuyele kubantu. Mesilapha yana umhlaba ubuyele emakhosini. Ifocus nje yokuthi sibe lapha kaCOGTA ukwenza sure ukuthi umhlaba ubuyele emakhosini. Nakuthi ke zonke izinto mhlawumbe njenga usho nje I've sat in one meeting la khona amakhoyisana kade beka ama challenges ababhekene nawo ngeact ekhona njengamanje ukuthi ayikho right, ayiphumi kubona, iphuma ngaku government ubhalele yanto yonke le yanto le. So now thina ukuba khona kwethu lapha yana, one ukwenza sure as an opposition obviously, one ukwenza sure ukuthi noma ngabe yini enziwayo azame thina ngayonke indlela ukuthi umhlaba ubuyela emakhosini. Azame futhi ukuthi amakhosi athatha indawo yawo njana namakhosi esizweni. Umsholozi uzoyibeka lento ukuthi hayi amakhosi njana nama kings nje wodwa izilo zobe seyihlala lapha ya kube izona ezihead of government noma head of the nation. Kube khona the prime minister ke ezokwazi ukuthi sirana ama department siclear mekufika lapho, because iyona ndlela kuphela ezokwazi ukubuyisela umhlaba, ingoba amakhosi ayawuclaim umhlaba wawo ubuyele kona wonke umhlaba.
Siyathanda ngeke ngabheka lapha nalapha na ku website yase National Parliament and National Assembly. Yes, la ubukhuluma khona about ukuthi ni voice of the voiceless, yabantu aba oppressed, nabantu aba suffocated by poverty, which is created by the then colonization or even oppression. Uthi mangabe ubeka lapha ya uthi laba bantu bahlupheka nje kodwa banomhlaba, umhlaba owabo. Awusali lo mbuzo kunombani ofika la ekutheni athina ama plans. Ngizobuza ihlangane lembuzo ngoba kukhona la engifuna ukuthi siye khona mangabe sizivala, but athina ama plans nokubuyisa umhlaba. Ngake ngabuza enye gentleman eyehlele kuleso situlo, yachaza ukuthi hayi umhlaba kudinga ukuthi 230 kanje ichaza ama political policies or political constitution or even the South African constitution yazi yachaza nango section 25. Mina yathi misifike egcine kodwa yachaza ukuthi umhlaba wantshontshwa kuthina nomhlaba sabulawa wathathwa.
Yes.
So ithini counter measure bangabe ukuthi the political policies and political engagements and political and even the country's constitution does not allow ukuthi umhlaba ubuye kuthina, ngoba kusho ukuthi lento ihlalele lapha eParliament njengokusho kwakho ukuthi uyivoice yalabo bantu abalambile belanjiswa ukuthi umhlaba wabo uthathiwe. Ithini counter measure bangabe ngasebenzi ama political engagement ingasebenzi constitution ngoba ngifisa ukusho kanjalo futhi because sike saba nayo engagement yokuthi while even nayo baba Msholozi say a leader so president of the ANC and a president of the country he had an opportunity for 9 years to do something ngokubuyisa umhlaba now suddenly MKP isi ama champions okubuyisa umhlaba angisafisa ukizwa in a national anthem perspective whereby sizobuyisa umhlaba sidinga 2/3 majority then and there was that presented to us if ngithi us ngisho as the followers of the liberal movement or ANC ngaleso sikhathi ngoba we've had the 2/3 majority during isikhathi sabombheki
yes
and ngesikhathi sika baba Msholozi we had a 2/3 majority that was going to be gifted to us by EFF so athinike manje ama plans
okay mba uma sohlehla siye kule yababa uMsholozi esaphethe kukhona amazwi nje ayeloke ewasho ubaba uMsholozi ukuthi ake ngithathe nje example encane nje ukuthi mezokhipha ubaba uNhlanhla ngenxa yezathu ezithile kwakhala wonke umuntu
ubaba uNhlanhla
unene ngakhumule zophuma ezominister kwathiwa akaconsultanga akenza njani yonke le yanto le but kakhulu kwakhala belungu ababekhala leso sililo leso now even though ngalesi sikhathi ke exactly at that point where kukhona i-opportunity ukuthi ngahlangana la ama seats akhe u2/3 majority with i-liberation movement ngaleso sikhathi but at the end of the day fanele abuyele kwi-NEC athi nanso ke opportunity isikhona inje but i-NEC mayingasavumi ngenxa ukuthi kukhona belungu abathathayo la noma babamba abantu abathile la then ayisenzeki leyo nto le so uma ezoyichaza into ye-MK is that awukwazi ukuthi wena babumsholozi ungayenzi lento ngoba uyena khona manje yabona le nto le akanawo ama systems amvimbayo akanayo i-NEC ezomvimba ekutheni kwenzeke lokhu ngalesi sikhathi akanamuntu ozomvimba ngalesi sikhathi okusho ukuthi i-judgment nje ikuyena ukuthi yenzeka lento noma yenzeki yini but uqhubeka nezinhlelo ezikhona we have set a number of times la sibuka khona ukuthi asibe siqala sibuka imhlaba le esinayo njengamanje and amakhosi lawa esinawo futhi njengamanje and begin to pilot izinto esikhuluma ngazo begin ukubona i-economy yalenkosi le inkosi uDwabaza ngisho njalo indawo yenkosi uDwabaza sibuka i-economy yakhona sibuka usocial wakhona sibuke zo and then we begin to develop because le ndawo le ingaphansi kwalenkosi and lenkosi inayo icontrol yayo by then asobe sisathenga kwezinye indawo sobe sesithenga ukudla okuproducewa kulenkosi iproducewa ilesizwe ukudla okuproducewa la noma yini esidinga iproducewa la so inkosi siqala lapho njengamanje ningi imhlaba ebuyiseliwe futhi ibuyiselwa kubantu ibuyiselwa eminye ihleli kugovernment leyo mhlaba leyo siqala kuyona lawo maplazi lawo yabuyiselwe kubantu angasebenzi njengamanje senze njani ukuthi asebenze lawo maplazi akwazi ukuthi aqala siproducele ukudla esikudla okusho ukuthi asidinga ugovernment lapho ngoba nje siyibambele thina ukwazi ukuthi sibuyise umhlaba wethu
lawo ama initiatives kahulumeni noma we-MKP
ama initiatives ala ku-MKP ke lawo
okusho ukuthi MKP iyawudla umhlaba nje basikhuluma ngoba phela ayiwazi i-MKP ukallocate umhlaba ngale kokunikezwa i-go ahead by abaphathi bezwe abaphathi bezwe njengamanje esithina as MKP mhlawumbe mangizokhuluma ngalento okuthiwa i-collective now besithi sifuna umhlaba wenkosi inthizeni bese siyawuthatha umhlaba siyawunikeza without going through ama processes aka politics ngoba into at the end of the day evelayo ukuthi we are governed by politics singawuthatha umhlaba bese qhamuka some authoritarian ozothi hayi umhlaba wami lo mhlawumbe emlungu thizeni uzothi umhlaba wami lo isenobuyisele ngaphansi kwenkosi ethize uma kuukuthi akufikanga kumnyango kababu banu hot
Yes. Oh, okay.
Yes, lo okwa
Rural noma lenda. Yes.
ngoba phela yena akayona iMKP.
Yes.
Kusho ukuthi thina siyawudla umhlaba.
Mphathi ngithi njengamanje kunamakhosi anomhlaba. Ngithi lo mhlaba loyo siyawusebenza thina.
Asithola umhlaba omusha.
Asikaqali umhlaba omusha ngoba kukhona umhlaba ekhona nje manje ngalesikhathi sibhizi sithi sifuna umhlaba ibi khona eminye imihlaba engasetshenzwa sithi siyayisebenza ke manje le mihlaba le alamakhosi lawa avumayo ukuthi asisebenze khona siqale sitshengise le development kulezi indawo lezi nale mihlaba ebuyiselwe abantu siqale sisebenze yona qala ngoba lawo maplaza amaningi awasebenzi abuyiseliwe la.
Very clear and it's lovely to understand because abanye abantu baye bebuza bethi njengoba nifuna umhlaba nizowenzani ngoba niyahluleka ukulima niyasuka emakhaya niza la emadolobheni. No kuyezwakala sithembiseke umhlonishwa ngizoba nasi isiqiniseko sokuthi uclose to i National High Command. Into esifisa ukuyithola la silokho sizwa ngandlebende mhlambe sihogela ku social media ngoba phela na ku social media uyasebenza kulezi insuku ukuthi iMKP iyangena embusweni la eKZN abanye balinganisela March abanye balinganisela uApril but kuthiwa yona izoyithatha iprovince ibuse sitshele for the first time la kwa political plus athina ama plans.
Hayi ama plans mphathi siyamthemba uNkulunkulu ukuthi konke sikwenzayo njengamanje kwi background kuzophumelela.
Ngabo March April
kuzophumelela nje mesiqhubeka nje kodwa nje kuzophumelela.
Silinde nje
kuNkulunkulu uzombona ngoba ukhona la ku MK.
Ukhona.
Hayi ukhona.
Hayi no kuhle sinethemba. Khona la ebengifuna ukubuyela khona ukuze sizophuma la sinethemba ukuthi uma ubuyela usendizeni ubuyele eCape Town sizo umuntu omusha obukelayo mhlambe noma ubusinessman okhona.
Yes.
Osafufusa uzoba nethemba lokuthi hayi honorable Gcwabaza uyayazi into ayishoyo futhi uyayisebenza singabambelela kuyena leye NDA ngoba i very interesting. Abantu abafuni abafuna ama handouts. Banasi skill abanye they are willing to learn, abanye they are willing to participate as economic contributors. Bayafuna ukuba ama participants. So sifisa ukuthi ke honorable usinikeze i-confidence yokuthi lo NDA yokade usho wena ongaphansi kwakho ukuthi noma angingasho ukuthi ongaphansi kwakho eniusebenzayo niyikomiti ukuthi sengazi ukuthi ineffective awuyisuse lo 270 billion laphana uzosicreatela noma uzocreatela laba abantu abahlele emakhaya amathuba okuthi aparticipate ekubeni ama economic contributors. Uze wabala wathi even nakhona ku KFC and McDonald's these technological developments we are not sure ngempela uqinisile ukuthi ngoba nama benefactors when it comes to entertainment. I mean sorry
digital technology there
basically we maintain that is what I meant. So now bakhona abantu bahlele emakhaya bayafisa ukuthi they maintain it. They do not wish to maintain only but they wish to be part of manufacturing we distribute ukuze ngelinye ilanga nala ama systems ala eSouth Africa ekwazi ukuthi siwa import. When I was asking about regeneration of revenue to supplement to treasury, I was talking about the very same thing ukuthi uNDA ugcina ukwazi ukuthi us-empowerish ukuthi nathi sibe ama manufacturers ukuze sizo distributor ukuze izwe lethu lingabi i-consumer kuphela. So sithembisa ukuthi uNDA sizobona kwenzeka more of digitization futhi ke enye ngithembisayo ile yokuthi izwe lamakhosi avumile ukuthi lengaba developed. So sivumela ukuthi NYDA silokho siulandela noma wena through your powers kwi community uhlale phe kwawo ukuthi uyikhiphe lemsebenzi nalama initiative uyi-resource futhi.
Ndaba ezitha nesizwe sesilo ngifuna ukuwususu NDA bese ngithi mina mengibuya la ngifuna ungibuza umbuzo nje othi bangaki abantwana asebesebenza ngama programs ayenziwa iMK. Ungizwe ukuthi ngitheni?
Ngizwela.
Ngaphandle kweNDA. Kodwa mengibuya nje la uzothi Gcwabaza bangaki abantwana njengamanje abasebenzayo. Bangaka amabhizinisi eseniwakhile through ama programs and AMK ngoba we are not in power njengamanje, but I can assure you ukuthi njengamanje kunama programs esiwenzayo a-empowerisha abantu nazo wakhe amathuba emisebenzi kusukela manje.
Cha, siyabonga asibambe la asivale. Siyabamba la ngoba siyethemba ukuthi si uzovakasha
Ndaba ezithi
nekomiti lakho bese uyabuya ngelinye ilanga usixoxele ezinye indaba ezinhle.
ndaba ezithi
Mina nguNkosi kwaZulu, i-Political Plus le Politics Plus.
ndaba ezithi
Ya yatholakala ku YouTube na ku TikTok, WhatsApp, wonke ama social platforms. Siyacela ukuthi uyifollowishe, usubscribe uzoyithola khona yonke le ngxoxo le nezinye ingxoxo ezilandelayo ezingase zibe in relation to lesixoxayo.
ndaba ezithi
Sibonge kakhulu. There was Honorable Unhlanhla Gcwabaza, the member of MKP and also a portfolio committee member. Yaga DSW nakuseke DSW who's yaga social development as well as uCogta. Nama plans amahleke esibheke ukuthi uma elwa ngempela sizokwazi ukubuyela umhlaba, sizothola amathuba emisebenzi o businessmen ababe hopeful. Ubaba uReverend Unhlanhla Gcwabaza siyabonga kakhulu.
siyabonga ndaba ezithi siyabonga abalaleli.